Welcome to Nash Rich. If you're looking for the best Amazon kitchen gadgets to upgrade your cooking game, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 18 must-have kitchen tools that will make food prep easier and faster. Make sure to watch till the end because number 1 is a game changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest finds. Let's get started. Rotary cheese grater. The rotary cheese grater is a must-have for cheese lovers. With 5 sharp blades, it quickly grates, shreds, and slices cheese, vegetables, and even nuts with minimal effort. Its stainless steel design ensures durability, while the non-slip base keeps it stable. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual grating. Vegetable chopper. Cut your food prep time in half with this amazing vegetable chopper. It comes with multiple blade attachments, allowing you to dice, chop, and julienne effortlessly. Whether it's onions, potatoes, or tomatoes, this tool will make cooking much faster. Plus, it's easy to clean and compact for storage. Microwave splatter cover. Tired of messy microwave spills? The microwave splatter cover keeps your microwave clean while allowing steam to escape, preventing soggy food. Its collapsible design makes it easy to store, and the heat-resistant handle ensures safe handling. Perfect for quick and clean microwave cooking. Kitchen funnel set. Every kitchen needs a high-quality funnel set. This set includes various sizes to fit bottles, jars, and containers. Made from BPA-free silicone, these funnels are heat-resistant, flexible, and easy to clean. Whether you're transferring liquids, powders, or spices, these funnels make the job effortless. Kitchen shears. A pair of premium kitchen shears is essential for every home cook. These heavy-duty scissors can cut through meat, herbs, veggies, and even packaging. With a comfortable grip and rust-resistant stainless steel blades, they're built to last. Bonus, they come with a protective cover for safety. Tub tile scrubber brush. Cleaning the kitchen just got easier with this 2-in-1 scrubber brush. Designed for deep cleaning tiles, sinks, and countertops, its adjustable handle allows for better reach. The stiff bristles tackle grease and grime effortlessly, keeping your kitchen spotless. Liquid vacuum sealer. Keep your food fresher for longer with this vacuum sealer machine. Featuring 90 kilopascal suction power, it efficiently seals liquids, meats, and dry foods. Whether you're meal prepping or storing leftovers, this device ensures airtight freshness and minimizes food waste. Collapsible pasta strainer. This silicone pasta strainer makes draining water a breeze. Unlike bulky colanders, its clip-on design securely fits most pots and saves space in your kitchen. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it's durable and easy to clean. A must-have for pasta lovers. Grape cutter, perfect for parents. This grape cutter makes slicing grapes and cherry tomatoes quick and safe. It's designed with a soft grip and sharp stainless steel blades that cut with ease. Whether packing lunches or making fruit salads, this tool is a lifesaver. Premium kitchen tongs. These silicone kitchen tongs are heat resistant and perfect for flipping, serving, and grilling. With a sturdy stainless steel frame and non-slip grip, they provide ultimate control in the kitchen. Plus, they're BPA-free and safe for non-stick cookware. Electric can opener. Forget manual can openers. This electric can opener does the job effortlessly. Its one-touch operation smoothly opens cans without sharp edges. Plus, it doubles as a knife sharpener, making it a versatile kitchen essential. Burger press. The 3-in-1 burger press is a must-have for burger lovers. It shapes perfectly round patties, whether it's beef, chicken, or veggie burgers. The non-stick surface ensures easy removal, and the sturdy design guarantees durability. Get ready to make restaurant-quality burgers at home. Dish drying rack. Keep your kitchen organized with this stainless steel dish drying rack. It has multiple compartments for plates, cups, and utensils. The rust-resistant build and drainage system ensure long-lasting performance. Silicone utensil rests, no more messy countertops. This silicone utensil rest holds spoons, spatulas, and tongs neatly while cooking. It's heat resistant, BPA free, and easy to clean, making it a kitchen essential. Fruit slicer cup. This all-in-one fruit slicer makes cutting strawberries, bananas, and other fruits quick and easy. Designed with sharp stainless steel blades, it ensures even slices in seconds. Kitchen knife. A sharp chef's knife is a must-have in every kitchen. This 8-inch stainless steel knife offers precision cutting, making chopping and slicing effortless. Black kitchen tongs. This 2-pack of premium tongs is perfect for grilling, flipping, and serving. The heat-resistant silicone tips ensure a firm grip without scratching cookware. Microwave splatter cover. Another great option to keep your microwave clean, this microwave splatter cover has a heat-resistant handle and ventilation holes for mess-free cooking. That's a wrap on our 18 must-have kitchen gadgets. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing kitchen finds. Check out the links in the description to grab these gadgets for yourself. See you in the next one.